Mr. Pang? Mr. Pang?
Go on in.
Mr. Pang? Mr. Pang? Mr. Pang? My name is Kate. I'd like to speak with you.
Such a pretty lady. No one comes and sees me.
I came to talk to you about your sleep paralysis.
There's nothing to talk about. It's not real. That's what the doctor said. It's all of you.
No, it's not. It's real. I've seen it. It's okay. You can tell me this. I need your help. Just tell me, please.
Got him all riled up.
Does he still have sleep paralysis?
Honey, it's hard to have sleep paralysis when you never sleep. Oh, he hasn't been to sleep in over a year. The doctors call it fatal sleep insomnia. At this rate, he might have a month left, maybe 2. You all just need to leave. Come on. Hey, just breathe.